How to improve work performance. If the only time you think about your performance at work is at your annual performance evaluation, you are not alone. Sometimes it's easier to wait for someone else to tell you what things you should be working on than it is to constantly assess yourself. No matter how well you perform any task, you can always do better than you did yesterday. The same goes for your work performance. So now it's time to take a look at the 10 tips that will go a long way toward helping you improve your work performance. Number 1. Identifying your priorities and plan. When you have set your goals and milestones, you should identify which ones matter more than the others and prioritize them. When you have your priorities straight, you can then go ahead and plan on how you are going to achieve them. Make a plan for the activities you are going to do that day. While making this plan, make sure that you don't bite off more than you can chew. You will find that it's better to set a lower milestone for that day and achieve it than take on a big task and fail to accomplish it. Number 2. Conquer difficult tasks first. This point is directly related to our above point, plan and prioritize. Obviously, you can't do every task or activity at the same time. That's why it's important that you figure out what tasks should be completed first and what tasks can be postponed or delegated during the project planning stage. Number 3. Set milestone and targets. Professionals working in MNCs, multinational corporations are given aggressive targets to meet. Working to meet a deadline can be stressful, but you just encourage your subordinate to set clear individual goals and milestones other than those given by you. Meeting company-specified target and milestone should not supersede meeting employee objective and milestone. Number 4. Set the right expectations. Often employees are confused about what needs to be done in their new job and what is expected of them. To avoid this, you must make sure your employees realize why you hired them in the first place and set clear expectations for them. If you think that your team member or subordinates are looking confused, just reach out to them and define what is expected of them. Number 5. Stop multitasking, just prioritize your work. Multitasking at work is not uncommon. If you work in a busy agency, for example, it is not rare for you to handle communications with potential clients, talk with different contractors, handle project work from freelancer while doing your actual job on the top of that. While you may be thinking that this way you actually get more work done, what you are doing is really impacting not only your level of output for your actual job, but also the quality. Number 6. Don't lose focus. Workplace interruption or distractions come in all shapes and sizes. It doesn't matter how many times you have been interrupted or who interrupts you the most during the day. What matters is how you avoid workplace interruption and improve your work performance. They make you lose focus, waste time, and in the end, disrupt your work management and cause a delay in the projects. Number 7. Identify the most productive hours. The majority of the workplace all over the world adheres to a 9 to 5 schedule. Even if the timings in your organization are slightly different, the average time spent at work is around 8 hours a day. The productivity of your employees will likely not to be consistent throughout. Some people work more efficiently in the first half, others in the second half. Their energy, creativity, and concentration level keeps fluctuating during the day. Identify the most productive part of the day can help your employees immensely. Number 8. Don't leave things unfinished. Sometimes employees jump from one task to the other and in the process forget about the old task, which eventually comes back to haunt us. It is always an ideal practice to finish the job in the hand rather than starting a new one. It is easier to initiate a new task than to finish it. Number 9. Give yourself downtime. Mental health is a real problem, and sometimes after a long period of time, it is possible to burn out from your work or feel unmotivated. Luckily, you don't need to work 8 hours straight on a daily basis. allowing you plenty of time during your working hours to take a break and recharge. You can do that by simply drinking coffee and watching your favorite TV show on Netflix for 10 to 15 minutes. Number 10. Asking when you are not sure. When you are given an assignment, you should be sure of what the brief requires you to do before embarking on it. If you have failed to ascertain what is expected of you, don't be afraid to seek further clarification from your supervisor. Clarity enables you to know what exactly your goal is at the time of completion of your task. You're also able to plan properly for how you're going to deal with the task, which is one of the surefire ways to improve work performance. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button so you can get the notification of new fascinating video. Thank you.